all over the place today.
Dripping on them. We've been dripping on them lately. Now they watching from the sideline. See them watching.
Alright guys, let's not talk about my hair. Let's be nice. Alright, I cut it off the other day. About 2-3 weeks ago. As you can see, it's like really nubby. But I cut it off to make sure that it was even so that my hair would grow evenly. But what I didn't notice was that, bitch, my hairline was receding. And I'm going to tell you why as we talk about this wig. So what happened was I had got those faux locks, as you guys know. I love them so much. I love the stylist, everything. But it was just absolutely too much tension on my scalp because yeah, like as you can see, let me show you guys. As you can see, like right here, it's just a little bit thin. My edges are a little sparse and I have a little bald spot right there. It's not for my frontals because I know how to apply my frontals. I've done it before and I've had no issues. So I think it was the tension from the faux locks because they hurt for like a week straight, like literally. And it was like my temples was the most tension. And before I put them in, my scalp was hurting a little bit. I just have a very sensitive scalp. So prior to me putting, I look so stupid talking with this on, but whatever. Prior to me putting my locks in that night, like my scalp was just feeling kind of like raw. I don't know why, but that just happens sometimes. But I also haven't had any type of braids, locks, twists, anything in my head in so long. So I think that's why my hair broke off, but I'm not worried about it. Right now I'm just putting castor oil on it twice a day, praying and hoping that it will grow back. If it doesn't grow back, I'm just gonna cut my hair, do a big chop, call it a day. Like honestly, it's hair, it's not that deep. I do feel low-key some type of way about it, but I can't let it bother me that much. I'm not doing a frontal today, we're doing a closure, and I'm so happy because this is perfect for, you know, since my edges do need a little break right now, this will be my everyday wig. And I'm gonna actually figure out, another way to like apply my frontals so that I don't have to do the bald cap method, because honestly I feel like the bald cap method, what's the word I'm looking for? The bald cap, bitch. The bald cap method also contributes to baldness too, because when you're taking it off, even though I spray hella conditioner and the C2 solution and everything, it's still pulling at your hair. With the Got To Be stuff, it's so like glued down that it's not the lace glue, guys. I'm telling you guys, it's not the lace glue that is balding you. It is the freaking bald cap. But anyways, so as you can see, I like did a little middle part just so that I can kind of have an idea of where to put my closure. So now I have my hair out like this, and what I'm going to do actually is I'm just going to take some Hicks edge control and I'm going to just kind of slick my edges and swoop the edges that I have left, at least. Maybe somebody has been using my shit, but this is the edge booster. You can see it's super dirty, but it's the edge booster fitting gel, and this stuff works so good. So let's just slick my hair down. This one to be back. I want the front to be back. On this channel we improvise. You see how much more slick that is? Yeah, forget the Hicks. The Hicks doesn't exist. It doesn't. Not on this hair. If anybody knows any way to get my edges back, let me know. I'm really like not stressing about it, like I said before, but I don't know what to do. Actually, I did have a badass bald spot years ago in the same spot actually, from somebody doing a sew-in. That's why I don't get sew-ins anymore. And I just don't think braids are for me. Like my scalp is really sensitive, and that's when I started wearing wigs. I started wearing half wigs. This was like 2010 or 11. No, it had to be 11 because I was working then. But it was like 2011, and since then I've been wig shoddy, you know what I'm saying? Like, wig shoddy. So, okay. We're gonna go like so. Okay? And we have this wig from DSoar. So this hair is so pretty, you guys. This is the Peruvian natural wave in the inches 20, 22, and I have two 24s, and I have an 20-inch closure, which I should have got an 18-inch closure so it was more layered. But needless to say, this baby is very full. Okay, so I'm just gonna put that on. Oh, this wig was actually made. So this is a closure wig, and as you can see, it's made, and it has some wigs up in there. I mean, some wig clips up in there. And yeah, the same person made my wigs, my girl Free. I will definitely leave her information below. She makes all of my wigs, and that's just that on that. I wish you could make my other wigs, but you know, like, it's so much easier with me doing videos back to back for me to just have the wigs already made and just do my thing and put them on. I would love for her to do my hair. I would love for her to do my hair. I really, as you guys know, I don't really care to do my own hair because I don't have the patience, but it's just too many hair videos for me to constantly be like, hey girl, can you do this, can you do that, and trying to record. It's just a different ball game than actually getting my hair done. So I just kind of leave that alone and let my girl do her thing. But definitely hit her up if you want a wig made, okay? She did my green bob, she did my blonde, she's done my copper. Like, that's my girl, okay? And all my wigs are intact. So now we're gonna finesse. I feel like people used to always wear closures like this, sitting on their head looking crazy, but not anymore, okay? We have evolved, we have moved on. Ooh, got a little itch. We are about to be great, okay? See, like, normally all my edges oh my god, I'm stressed. So anyways, so I'm about to show you guys how to make your closure look like a frontal, okay? What do I want to use? Y'all, and this hair is super duper soft. As you guys know, I love like a water wave texture or a loose wave texture versus a deep wave, because I feel like the deep wave is so much more maintenance. Like this, you could literally just fluff and go. You don't have to spray it with water unless you like that wet look. I like this kind of look. Like, this is it air dried. I haven't combed through it yet or anything. It definitely gets way bigger, which I love. So you want to kind of let that air dry, and then you want to kind of, you know, just press that down. And I only did one layer because of how I'm about to apply it. Alright, so now that it's on and it has one little layer on there, the easiest thing for me to do is just to spray it above the lace and just press it in. And as you can see, that helps it melt a lot better. And I like this technique a lot more, to just kind of spray it above the lace and then just go like this, so that that is flat and so that it dries it down. Okay, so I think my part is a little off-centered, but it's already a little bit secured, so we're just gonna leave that alone. And now I'm gonna separate the regular hair from my baby hairs. So what I'm gonna do now is take this pressing comb and just kind of, you know, go back. I literally only burn myself when I'm in my room. Like, I do not fucking like doing my hair in my room, period. Ooh, I hate the feeling of hair on my face, especially when I have gloss. And even this, you guys, is too long for a baby hair. Like, cut your baby hairs like baby hairs are supposed to be. Like, baby hairs are not long. They are not. I mean, again, it's all your preference, but it be looking hella crazy. Y'all know the drill. Take my wrapping lotion, and I'm just gonna, should take it on the toothbrush. Take it on the toothbrush. And this is why I always do my frontal before, because this is literally, as you can see, my makeup is doing its own thing and it's sliding off of my face, but it's all right. All right, y'all see the little swoop of this swoop? And I'm just gonna put it directly on there. Ooh, it's too much. And of course, to keep those baby hairs in place, I'm gonna apply, ooh, my eyes. I'm gonna apply some Got To Be spray onto the toothbrush and just run the toothbrush over that. Alright, so as you can see, the parting is kind of like this weird grayish color, and don't mind how like swooped it looks right now until it completely dries. But yeah, what I'm gonna do is take a brush. I'm gonna take a brush and a face powder, and I'm just going to go in between that part just to make sure that it is all one. And I did over pluck this part in the front, as you can see, like an idiot. So I'm gonna show y'all how to fix that too, because clearly today's tutorial is just a hot ass mess, and I'm so sorry. So I'm just taking some mascara and going over it like so it gives it more of a relaxed vibe. And I'm just gonna spray the top a little bit. So for one last time, I'm gonna go ahead and tie my scarf. I'm going to put on my outfit, and I will be back. Yeah, we're just gonna leave that hanging like that, and I will be back. All right, guys, this pretty much completes today's look. I actually freaking love how my face came out today. Like, I look snatched. Okay, like, I am so glad I got up and decided to record, because a bitch is popping. Okay, but all information on this hair will be below. It is bomb, as you can see. Like, look at this pattern. Like, hello, what? But yes, we are serving Sunday fun day brunch type of vibes. Like, this is like a look, well, I actually literally wore this to brunch in a similar look, so I just decided to recreate it because that's how a bitch was feeling. But yeah, don't forget to subscribe, and I will see you guys in my next video.